Experts say as long as people read, comics and graphic novels are here to stay. And even for Generation X, the comic craze is intact. Many even turning to it professionally. Take these final-year-old undergraduates from Delhi's Pearl Academy who have turned their attention to the art of writing and illustrating graphic novels.
Horseshoe crab is one animal which is prehistoric. It's like 400 million years old. So I made a book around this to tell kids like, there's so many animals apart from dinosaurs which were prehistoric and this animal is still alive.
Basically I started from different characters which the child would like, and I took a set of animals which I would have as graphics, as you can see over here. And basically he would buy the night, so my product was a night lamp, and he would pick up a night lamp in a box, and when he would open it, the night lamp would become into a shade, like the packaging of the box would turn into a shade. Like so the story is inspired by like my family, my friends. So each recipe has a story behind it, and so I've first written all the stories in a manner that is really like it's a graphic novel combined with a cookbook. Basically, my idea was to take that book into a series, and I know for a fact that people love comics and visuals are always better storytellers. So I took that story and I'm converting it into a graphic novel of series.
Experts say as long as people read, comics and graphic novels are here to stay.
Some might go on with graphic novels and so on, depending upon the topic, depending their own aptitude and their own way of expressing. So we only guide them. Choices are their own. We don't tell them what to do. They are making their choices themselves.
I think students have to be prepared that their role is not only as an illustrator but as a narrator and as storytellers, and I think that is something that has to be they have to understand that to be able to be a good someone to do work with graphic novels or illustrations and things like that.